This is my brother kite building. Today we're gonna have lots of fun and do funny stuff.
So we're going to be launching this grave digger off a ramp. It looks very dirty.
Yeah.
And then these logs are there. And then we got a skateboard. And then, yeah. We're just going to do and see what happens. So, gotta build it.
Yeah, we're gonna build it. Right now, we're like
We're gonna make it big and good.
Yeah, big and good, and like it's gonna be really cool. Like we're gonna launch it off, and like once we're done, we need to find as much logs as we can. And these are all the logs right here. God, go on. Where's your iPad?
Guys, last time we filmed the video here, we had the skate ramp. So, we don't have it anymore. We knocked it down. Me and my dad did most of the work. And, yeah, let's get fun.
I'm so sorry, my mom.
You see us alright?
Got my logs. Got some stuck.
Oh, you're gonna jump over that?
We gotta launch it off high.
Well, yeah, we do need to launch it high. Okay, first attempt.
Yes, first attempt. Let's go. Anyways, it's gonna be really cool. And like, this is what it looks like right now.
I'm gonna launch it off. I'm very excited.
Yes, we're gonna launch it off. I don't know how high it's gonna go.
Oh, the wheel.
The wheel, no! We'll try to get a different one.
Busted.
No.
I think we just need to do that.
The
Do that.
wheel is
Look.
the wheel.
Okay, we'll just launch it off like this.
Yes, just launch it off. It's gonna be so epic.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
That did not go far.
Sure. We have a small backyard, right?
No. This is what we got. We got
Oh, this area.
over here.
We have a small grass area. We used to have a segregate
Yeah. Over here.
plain grass area.
And then down there. And that's all. Our backyard. Got it with this table here, but no. It's pretty boring.
This time we're gonna launch off the skateboard.
This time we're gonna launch me off. Me. I'm gonna run up. So I'm the fastest here. So I'm gonna run off, jump off.
And right now, yeah. Kai, my brother, he's gonna run up, jump off, probably go to space.
Ready? Good?
Sorry, I guess he did not go to space.
So I'm gonna try with my bike. See if that works.
Don't be fooled, though. Maybe this time it might work. This might work out well. Just saying.
Oh god, no, this is sketchy. Guys, I've never done this. That's when I didn't get it right up. This is when I did get it right up.
This might be sketch for my brother. He's never done this before.
Remember, I'm only 9 years old.
Yeah, and I'm 7.
It's my YouTube channel, so subscribe. Oh crap, I didn't get it right up. Okay, I'll get it anyway.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This is gonna I don't know if he's gonna make it.
Got a
but
good one on this time.
Second time, he might go.
Yeah.
But that's so well, medium, not so good.
Oh, that's pretty good. Still a kid.
Anyways,
Now what can we ram off the rider?
probably this skateboard.
Okay.
Guys, this doesn't look very well.
I'm a really good skater.
Oh yeah, he is.
Not as good as cruiser boards, just normal skateboards.
Yeah. And I'm a really good skater as well. We're good bikers, good skaters. Yeah. So me, I'm good. I'm skater, runner,
Not a screwdriver. Whoever you are.
well,
Yeah, I don't know.
and parkour. We might sometime do a video of me parkouring.
Ooh, we should do that this time. Next video, we will film us parkouring.
Yeah.
Bye guys, make sure you subscribe and
Hit the like button and don't forget to hit the
Peace.
bell. Peace.